The Constitution of India. Part 4. Directive Principles of State Policy. Article 43. Living wage, etc., for workers. The state shall endeavour to secure, by suitable legislation, or economic organization or in any other way, to all workers, agricultural, industrial or otherwise, work, a living wage, conditions of work ensuring a decent standard of life, and full enjoyment of leisure, and social and cultural opportunities, and, in particular, the state shall endeavour to promote cottage industries, on an individual or cooperative basis, in rural areas.